He's only 11, but Isaac Garza has already touched the lives of thousands simply by collecting the playthings that help bring him joy while in the hospital.
I do remember when the staff would always bring toys for me every day.
5 years ago, at the age of 7, Isaac suffered a terrible medical ordeal and had to be rushed to Children's Hospital of San Antonio.
It's the darkest moment of my life. Our son was really sick. We almost lost him. He suffered a cardiac arrest twice, and after 90 minutes was revived and airlifted to San Antonio.
Isaac was diagnosed with Kawasaki disease. Primarily affecting children, the disease causes inflammation in the walls of the arteries throughout the body, which ultimately affects the supply of blood to the heart. While at Children's Hospital, he was put on an ECMO, a heart-lung therapy machine that pumps blood outside of the body and takes over the work of the heart and lungs so they can rest and heal.
When Isaac was going to get intubated, they brought in the ventilator into the room, and I knew that was where he was taking a turn for the worse. I knew that. I thought he was asleep, and I started crying. And he got my hand, and he's like, "Mom, don't cry. I'm okay." And that just destroyed me because I thought, oh my gosh, here I am falling apart, and this little boy has kept it together. And so he was the strength. He was my source of strength.
Isaac spent 60 days in the hospital, and each day he received at least one toy from the facility's child life department, which he says was a welcome distraction.
It also made me happier because I always had attention with my toys.
Once released, Isaac didn't forget the experience. For his follow-up visit, he told his parents he wanted to help bring that same joy to the children he'd befriended at the hospital, and more.
I wanted to give toys to my friends at first, but then I was like, I wanted to give toys to the whole floor, and then I wanted to get toys to the whole hospital.
In the end, Isaac and his family would collect 900 toys, and they needed a U-Haul to deliver them.
The funniest thing was we drive up to San Antonio. They knew we were coming in, and there was this one lady with a little Rubbermaid cart, a little two-level cart waiting for us at the front door. And she sees us, and she's like, "Oh no, I need more help."
Flash forward to 2020, and Isaac is still hosting toy drives with help from his classmates at Sherryland Elementary and members of the community. But now he's donating the items to the pediatric patients at STHS Children's, where he goes for his follow-up visits. And this year, he and his family collected 4 racks worth of toys, games, dolls, and more, all to be gifted to the young patients in the hospital's care. A whopping 821 items in all, the largest single donation the hospital has ever received.
He's our little miracle. We're very proud of him. We're blessed, because he's still with us. My family's complete, but we're so proud.
Isaac has no plans of ending his drives anytime soon, knowing how the donated toys will help bring a little joy to other kids receiving medical care.